guitar, like just with a straight riff.
Yeah.
There is no one to yield to, bro.
You really couldn't just fucking... Like, yield doesn't mean stop.
Watch, you're gonna go into this place right near your house and you're gonna be like, oh, I'm never coming out here again. Have you been in that? Ended up sleeping in the truck that night just because that's how the schedule worked. You better fucking speed up, bro. That's the shit that's gonna get on my nerves. That's like the real bad drivery thing that happens out here. Anyway, Jesus, bro.
Yeah, my dog's a scaredy cat.
Scaredy dog.
Yeah. Well, to be fair, that she came from a puppy mill, so she wasn't.
Oh god, this problems though. All this music is so boring to me anymore. Oh, this isn't
I Will Not Bow, classic.
Have you heard of this band? Electric Callboy?
I don't think so. You really couldn't just fucking... Like, yield doesn't mean stop.
Yield means yield when someone's there.
If you're going to run into them, slow down, wait for them to go, and then you go.
You can tell he's...
And I'm like, this is a professional problem.
Did you get it towed, or is it...
Yeah,
okay.
I got it towed to the nearest dealership. Thankfully, it was in Sturgeon.
Oh, nice.
Oh, good.
So I was
That's
there,
good.
so I was like, thank you so much. So I guess.
Oh, SpongeBob cameos in this one. SpongeBob. It's still all him, but...
Oh my god. Down.
Yeah.
Do you want to do Culver's?
Yeah, that's fine. I can do it. Okay, you don't have a stop sign, boss. 770 from whatever PNC says. There you go.
Go straight more.
That's fine. It's all connected.
I didn't even see that.
I've never really done it, but what better time to get into it than with a bunch of people who've also never done it and want to get into it. As far as the other stuff, I'll see. No more wasting our time. No reaching on the tide. Or it could be mass airflow sensor. That would make sense, mass airflow sensor. That would give you a check engine light too. So.
Other than that, it's a really, really nice car.
Oh yeah. Well, and I want to go up to Newport State Park, which is one of the few certified dark parks in the country, because I.
To the left.
Yeah, I just saw this thing told me. I need Chief here to do something.
Come on, Chief. Come on, buddy, old pal.
Average Buick driver.
For real.
Slow as fuck.
Feasible.
This guy's actually going pretty fucking slow.
I know.
I'm gonna wait till we get around
Are
this
they still
bend.
going like 40 or something?
45.
45? Yeah, speed limit goes back up to 50 like the minute you get out of Institute.
Hey.
Bet you I can back into this
his
spot.
barber did him wrong.
It-
Sorry, that's so mean, but for real. His
Dude's-
barber's
dude's got the ruh-roh raggy.
So it's got the skin out.